today my epic grilled cheese using 3 different cheeses. Let's do it. So the first step for this recipe and the first cheese up is some extra mature cheddar, and you just want to grate a really nice couple of handfuls into a bowl. So grate away, and when you have a nice generous amount of cheese, we're going to want to prepare our bread. I'm using a good white farmhouse loaf, and you want to cut your slices of bread relatively thick, close to an inch thick roughly. So cut off a few slices of your bread, and once you've done that, the second cheese we're going to want is some goat's cheese. So spread your goat's cheese onto the inside of the bread, and then you want to pile on your cheddar. And then the third cheese we're going to use here is some pecorino romano. So grate in a really generous amount of your pecorino cheese, and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below, and then pop the lid on your sandwich. And then it's really important to butter the outside of your cheese sandwich liberally. Don't be shy. And now we're ready to go. So pop a non-stick frying pan onto the hob, turn the heat to medium, and then pop in your grilled cheese sandwich. And the secret to a perfect grilled cheese sandwich is to be patient. Don't turn the heat up too high. We don't want the outside to get too toasted before the inside has melted. So press it down with a spatula, give it about a minute on one side, flip it over, and a minute on the other side, and keep doing this until you've got a lovely toasted bread and the inside is really nice melted and gooey. And very quickly give the video a thumbs up by hitting that like button below. And just at the point that the cheese has melted inside beautifully, my secret tip is to grate over some pecorino romano, flip the sandwich over and grate some more pecorino on the other side. Give it one last flip, and this will give us a beautiful toasty cheesy crust on the sandwich. Once you've toasted the pecorino on both sides of the bread, get that out of the pan, pop it onto a chopping board, and finish with one last good grating of your pecorino romano. Chop your cheese sandwich in half. All that's left to do is to get stuck in. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.